How to use a 12-volt mini-compressor. Remove the dust cap from the tire valve. Push the connector onto the valve and lock the lever into place. The starting tire pressure is about 4 psi. Plug out the cigarette lighter. And plug the compressor pump into the socket. Switch on the compressor pump. Switch off the pump when the tire reaches the desired pressure. The pressure is now 40 psi. Plug out the compressor pump. And refit the cigarette lighter. Release the locking lever and remove the connector from the valve. Don't forget to replace the dust cap. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel.